Hello guys, you remember when I installed my bull bar that I wanted to install a LED bar on it so I can hide the ugly hole of the intercooler in the bumper. So I have good news today. My LED bar is finally arrived in the shipping yesterday. This is it. So let's install it right away. So now the LED bar is centered on my bull bar. I can adjust the mount. Right to my hole. This is it. Now I can tighten it properly. And it's just aluminum, so I cannot tighten it too much because I will ruin the thread. There we go. I think it will look very good. So I decided to put some rubber between the mount and the bar just to avoid any possible vibration, but also because I don't like the curve. The mount is kind of tilting on it and I don't like it, so with the rubber will sit more solid. So I just put a piece of Kleenex inside the box so the bolt will stick a little more. I will be able to do my work. Yeah, better this way. And I obviously don't want to scratch my bar. There we go. One done. One to go. Still rubbing, but at least now I can install it. There we go. So this is what it looked like. It hid the hole pretty good and it gave a super great look. If we go back a bit, yeah, I love the look of it. But now it's time for the wiring, and I was running out of wires to wire this thing, so instead of buying new wires and a relay separately, I found this kit which has everything in. I won't use the switch, I will connect it directly on the fog light, but I will use a relay so I don't take any power from the fog lights. I will take my power from the battery. The wire from the fog light will be only to turn the relay on or off. So let's start it. True. This is tight. I am using an existing ground to connect the ground of the new LED bar. There's two wires, one for the relay and one for the LED bar itself. Now I'm getting ready to fish the wires or the cable under the battery tray so they won't show too much. I would have really liked to install black cable instead, but the only kit available at the time was white. Here I'm getting ready to connect the feed wire of the relay to the fog light so I can power up this thing. I'm very sorry for the bad quality of the picture. I didn't expect it to be that dark behind the bumper. But what I did is I cut the positive wire of the fog light, I connected my feed wire of the relay to it, and I solder everything together, and now I'm installing each shrink before applying some electrical tape, so this way I will be certain there will be no corrosion caused by salt or water getting into the connection. Here I'm installing some connection to the LED bar harness, so if I need to remove it for any reason, I won't have to cut the wire. I will just have to disconnect the two wires and I will be able to remove the light bar or the complete bull bar assembly. Here again I am using each shrink to make the connection or to seal the connection. I will use two layers, one for each wire and a big one to seal the harness of the LED bar right through the connectors. And here again I am soldering everything simply because here in Canada, with the salt we have on the road in the winter, we cannot use those fast and easy connectors slash clip which you just clip to the cables. The connection is magically done, because with the salt and the corrosion will get into the wires or the connection. After 1 or 2 years my LED bar won't work at all. So it's the reason why I'm always soldering everything when I'm working on the outside of a vehicle. I've connected the positive wire of the LED bar to the positive terminal of the battery. I haven't cut the second set of wires that's supposed to go to the other fog light, just in case I wanted to add some more lighting to the bumper in the future. So this is it for today. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day. See you later. Bye.